A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to vector algebra which has already come in your revision test. So see, now question is if A plus B plus C, if vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0 and mod of vector A is equal to, this is given 3, mod of vector B is equal to, given this is 5, and mod of vector C is 7. So mod of vector C is 7. Show that the angle between show that angle between A and B, vector A and vector B is 60 degree. So see the solution. Now in this question you will see this is the given condition, vector A, sum of vector is 0. So what we can write? Sum of vector is 0. Since or given vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, this implies we can write vector A plus vector B is equal to minus vector C. Now on squaring both the side, what you will get the result? On squaring both the side, you will get vector A plus vector B whole square is equal to minus vector C whole square. And this one we can write C square. So this implies we can write vector A plus vector B, vector A plus vector B is equal to vector C into vector C, means C square. Now you will see we are going to multiply. So this result will be vector A into vector A, means mod of vector A whole square, and this is mod of vector B whole square, and now plus vector A dot B plus vector B dot vector A is equal to mod of vector C whole square. So ABC value is given. Now we can write mod of A is 3, so this result will be 9, and this result will be 25, and this result will be commutative property with respect to multiplication in vectors verified. So this result we can write 2 times vector A into vector B is equal to, this is mod of vector C, means result will be 49. Now this is 25 plus 9, that is 34. So 49 minus 34 result will be 49 minus 34 result we can write, that is 15. So what we can write the result of AB? So AB result what we can write, or 2 times AB result we can write that is 16, 15. So this implies 2 times vector A dot vector B we can write, this result is 49 minus 9, this is 40, and 40 minus 25 result will be 15. So this is 15. So 2 times AB, A vector B. So A dot B, you know, this is the formula. A dot B formula is mod of A mod of B. cos theta. So this one result we can write 2 times mod of vector A into mod of vector B into cos theta is equal to 15. Now this result, you know, this is 3 and this is 5. So 3 5 is 15, 2 is 30. This implies we can write 30 times cos theta is equal to 15. Now cos theta we can write result is 1 by 2. This implies theta will be equal to 60 degree. Now this is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Now question number 2 is now question is we have considered a vector, b vector, c vector. So we have to find the vector p which is perpendicular to both a and b, and p dot c is equal to given. This is 18. So in this question, first of all, now question number 2 is let vector a is equal to I plus j minus 2k. So let vector a is equal to, this is I plus 4j plus 2k, 4j plus 2k. Now vector b is equal to 3i minus 2j plus vector b is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 7k, and vector c is equal to, this is 2i minus j plus 4k. This is 2i minus j plus 4k. This is the vector we have considered. We have to find a vector p. Find a vector p which is perpendicular to both, which is perpendicular to both a vector and b vector. Vector a and vector b, which is perpendicular to both vector a and vector b, and p dot c, and p dot c vector is equal to 18. This is given. So see, p is perpendicular to both vector a and b. Now p will be parallel to vector a and b. See the solution. since vector P, or we can write P is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Vector P is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Now what we can write? Means P is parallel to vector A cross B. Therefore, vector P will be parallel to vector A cross vector B, because this is the unit vector perpendicular to the direction of vector A and B. Then we have to calculate A cross B. Now calculate vector A cross vector B. So what we can write its result? You know, by using determinant method, we can write this is I, this is J, this is K. So A vector is 1, 4, 2, coefficient 1, this is 4, this is 2. So 1, 4 and 2. And now B vector is 3, minus 2, 7. 1, 4, 2, 3 minus 2, 7. Now after calculation, what you will get the result? After calculation, result will be I with 4 7 are 28 and plus 4, result will be 32I. So 32I and minus J. Minus J means 7 1 are 7 minus 6. Result will be 1 means minus J only. So minus J, and now minus 2, minus 12, minus 14. So minus 14 and result is K. This is the vector. So P is parallel to A cross B. So P vector, what we can write? P vector, suppose P vector we can write multiple of A is equal to B lambda, you know. Any vector is parallel to another, then B is equal to A lambda, we know. So P vector we can write, since P is parallel to this, it means P vector, vector P, we can write lambda times, this is 32I minus J vector and minus 14K. So this is vector P. Now P dot C, result you know, this is P dot C, result you know, this is 18. So P dot C, what we can write? P dot C, this implies vector P dot vector C. What we can write? This is lambda times, this is 32I minus J minus 14K dot C vector. C vector is 2I minus J plus 4K, and its result is 18. Its result is 18. So when you will calculate, what you will get the result? So lambda value after solving, we can write this is lambda into this result is 64, and minus 1 result will be plus 1, and minus 14 plus 4. 14 minus 14 plus 4, 14 into 4, result will be minus 56. So 64 plus 1 minus 56, result you know, this is 9. We can write this is 9. So this is 4 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. So we can write 9 lambda is equal to 18. This implies lambda is equal to 2. Now vector P we can write, this implies we can write vector P is equal to multiply by 2. So result will be 64I minus 2J and minus 28, this is K. So this is the answer, you know. Now see, this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, Question number 3. Now question number 3 is question number 3 is see question number 3 is the two vectors the two vectors the two vectors j plus k and 3i minus j plus 4k represent the two sides vector AB and vector AC respectively. Of triangle ABC. Of triangle ABC. Find the length of the median through A. Find the length of median through A. Now see, this is the question and we have to solve. Now we have to given vector AB and AC, and you know the initial point of this is AB and AC. Now both initial point is same, two vectors AB and AC. See, so what we can write? Given vector AB is equal to j plus k and vector AC is equal to 3i minus j plus 4k. 3i minus j plus 4k, and triangle ABC is here. So consider this is the triangle ABC. Now AB vector is This is AB vector and now AC. So AB vector j plus k and AC vector is 3i minus j plus 4k is here. So BC vector, what we can write? BC vector we can write BA plus AC. BC vector we can write BA plus AC. See, in triangle ABC, vector BC, what we can write vector BC? BC vector we can write BA vector plus AC vector, and BA vector we can write negative of vector AB. So negative of vector AB, this is AB and AC. Now BC vector we can write minus time AB vector and plus this is AC vector. So now AB vector, you know, this is vector BC is equal to minus j minus k, because this is j plus k, and plus AC vector 3i minus j plus 4k. See, now after calculation you can get the result of, this is 3i minus 2j plus 3k. So BC vector we can write 3i minus 2j plus 3k. Now see, this is the vector BC. Now BD vector, what we can write? When you will draw the perpendicular from A to BC, so you know, consider this is point D, so BD will be equal to DC, you know, BD will be equal to DC. Now BD, what we can write? BD is equal to 1 by 2 of BC. So BD vector we can write 1 by 2 of BC vector, and now BC vector, you know, this result is, so 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2i minus j plus 3 by 2k. So this result will be 3 by 2i minus j and plus 3 by 2k. This is the result BD. This is the result of BD. Now from figure, what we can write the AD? Now AD we can write again AD result we can write AD vector we can write AC plus or AB plus BD. AB plus BD vector, and now AB vector, you know, this is the result j plus k, this is result j plus k, and plus BD result is already calculate, this is 3 by 2 I minus 3 by 2i minus j plus 3 by 2k minus j plus 3 by 2, this is the result k. And after solving, what you will get the result? You will get 3 by 2i, j minus j will cancel, and result will be 5 by 2k. So 5 by 2 k. Now this is AD. This is AD. Now AD, length AD, length of AD, we can write mod of AD, and mod of AD means 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2 whole square in root over 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2 whole square, and result you will get means AD length, you can write 3 by 2 9 by 4 plus 25 by 4. So 25 plus 9 result will be 34 by 4 means root over 34 by 2. This is the answer. Now see, this is the answer.